Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you pork curry with coconut milk, and I'm going to use Thai organic coconut milk and it's unsweetened, 1 can. I'm going to use 2 pound. This is the boneless pork loin, top loin chops. It's about 6 pound and I'm going to use 2 pound. I'm going to cut into small chunk and I'm going to wash it with cold water. For our tadka, I'm going to use olive oil, 1 tablespoon. You can use any vegetable oil. 1 onion, 1 tablespoon, ginger, garlic, green chili paste, 1 teaspoon, cumin seed. All the spices will be half teaspoon each. Coriander powder, cumin powder, garam masala, black pepper and salt. Pork chops cut into small cube size pieces and I wash with cold water. The tip is, if you cut the small pieces, they will cook faster and they will taste better. And let's start making our delicious pork curry. Get a kadaai or wok and we're going to start gas. Keep gas on high and I'll bring olive oil. As the oil start to heat up, I'll bring cumin seed up. We're going to cook like 10 seconds. This is good enough. Ginger, garlic, green chili paste. Mix it well and we're going to cook like 20 seconds. Screen splatter protects my camera as well as the countertop. Looking good. Now I'm going to bring onion. Mix it well and we're going to cook our onion until they get transparent. So keep moving so they don't get burned. Onion is nicely cooked. They turn golden brown. And now I'm going to bring all the spices, coriander powder, cumin powder, garam masala, black pepper and salt. Mix it well. We're going to cook our spices along with tadka for like half a minute. Cooking for half a minute. Now I'm going to bring the meat, pork meat. Mix it well. Make sure it's nicely mixed with the tadka. And we're going to keep cooking on high gas. So keep moving and we're going to cook on high gas for 5 minutes. On high gas, cooking for 5 minutes. This is how the pork looks. It starts to release the oil. Most of the pork chops I trimmed the fat and there was very little fat on the pieces. I'm going to bring the gas to medium. I'll bring coconut milk. It's really cold over here. That's one of the reasons the coconut milk is like this. It's kind of frozen. Mix it well. Cover with the lid and we're going to cook for 15 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'm going to come back and I'm going to stir it, so make sure that it won't get burned at the bottom. Then we'll do it another stirring at 10. And then I'll see you after 15 minutes. Cooking for 15 minutes on medium gas. I opened it twice and I stir it. If we look at our meat, it does cut through. It's a little firm, but it's fully cooked. I'm going to bring the gas to simmer. I'll bring parsley flake, 1 teaspoon. Mix it well. After mixing it well, cover with the lid and on simmer, we're going to let it simmer for 10 minutes. Another 10 minutes on simmer. I'm going to open it. I'll turn the fan on. All the oil on top layer is from coconut milk and I'm going to mix it. I'm going to turn off the gas. I have my serving bowl ready and I'm going to dish out. Look at how delicious pork curry in coconut milk. Let me share with you. Our very tasty and very delicious pork curry in coconut milk is all ready. Please try it and you're going to like it. And you always can serve with the roti, chapati, fulka, naan, paratha and best of all with the rice pulao. Please comment below how it turned out for you. And like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.